Hello guys, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace an alternator for a Chrysler Spring 2008. I will show you how to replace it like a boss. We don't need to unplug our battery terminals, we don't need to lift the car or even go to a garage. I will show you how it's done just by using a coat hanger. So let's get started. So first we're gonna remove the cover for the connection, the battery connection, then the plug. So first, we're gonna start by removing the battery connection. Usually you're supposed to remove the terminal, but I'm gonna show you this trick right now. It's gonna be very easy. You don't need to remove the terminals from the battery. So just you remove over here. You have to make sure not to touch anywhere else but the connection over here. So we're gonna start and doing like this. And simply we're gonna cover it with electrical tape. So this way, even if it touches any other metal objects, it will not sparkle, you won't have a short. So here we have our alternator belt, and if you look closely to the bottom you can see the tensioner belt, and we got the nut. So this is where we're gonna hook our coat hanger and gonna lift slowly, and we're gonna be able to remove the alternator belt in no time. It's gonna be a magical trick. So all you need to use is a coat hanger and a metal bar. You're gonna see it's gonna be very easy. You can also use a broom. Just make sure that the stick that you're using is solid, so when you lift and lower it will not bend. So now we're gonna start by shaping our coat hanger. We're gonna shape it like this. This is where the tensioner nut we're gonna be hang like this, and on the other side we're gonna use a channel lock, and we twist the bars like this. And that's how it's supposed to look on the top side. So now I'm gonna lower my coat hanger. As you guys can see, I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom till I reach the tensioner bolt. As you see, it's hooked already right there. And now I'm gonna bring my metal bar and push it inside like this, all the way till up here. As you guys can see, that's how it's supposed to look like. You can also put something here to hold it all the time, but I'm gonna show you now that the coat hanger, it's around the tensioner belt. So now when I lift slowly, you're gonna see the tensioner belt is gonna come up and it's gonna free the belt. There you go. As you guys can see, the belt is free now. It's gonna come up. There you go. And now we're gonna lower the tube slowly like this. There you go. And as you guys can see now, the belt is free. And you can also remove the belt just by sliding it out from the right pulley. So now I'm gonna be using a 15mm socket like this one. There you go. Alternator is free. And that's it. So now we're gonna put it back in its place. We're not gonna tighten to the max. It's very important. So there you go. As you can see, it's still loose. This is exactly what we want. That's why we shouldn't tighten to the max. Just 3/4 away for this bolt, and then we're gonna position the alternator in its place. And now we're gonna go for this side. So now all what we have to do is to put back the belt. Alright, so now we're gonna do the same thing as before. We're gonna place the coat hanger in its position. As I showed you before, guys, make sure that the belt is in its position. It's not out of the pulley or misplaced. As you see now, we got the coat hanger on the nut. So now we're gonna place the tube in its position all the way over there, and we're gonna start lifting gently, slowly, and all the way till we place our belt in its position. There you go. Now we're gonna lower the bar slowly. Make sure over here that it's placed properly, and we're gonna keep lowering all the way down till it's free. There you go. As you guys can see now, the belt is in its position. Everything worked perfectly. We didn't have to remove any tires. We didn't have to lift the car up. We just used a coat hanger with a metal bar, and it was very fast and easy. And now all what we need to do is to remove the tape over here. Don't forget, this is a hot wire. That's a positive. We have to make sure not to hit it with any other metal objects. There you go. So now we're gonna place it in its position, and we're gonna put back the nut. There you go. We're gonna put back the protection, the cover. I'm gonna put the plug back, and we are ready to go. And this is how you remove an alternator like a boss. As you guys can see, everything's working perfectly. We didn't need to lift the car, take it to a garage. We only used a coat hanger to remove the alternator belt, and everything's working perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under Fixitsamo, and we'll see you next time.